Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use and manage your widgets in Windows 11. Windows 11 has some new widget features in it, and they've been adding to this over the last couple of years since Windows 11 launched. So you can launch the widgets from down here on the left hand side, and you get a mixture of news and actual widgets that are tied to applications. You can customize this. Microsoft call it your feed, and you can put your interests in there. I'm personally not that keen on all these. I would prefer to just have the the functional widgets, which is coming soon as well from Microsoft. But let's show you how you can add widgets to it. So you go to the plus button here, and here you can see all the widgets that are available on the system. Now, for example, the Spotify one that I've got here, if you didn't have Spotify installed on your machine, then you wouldn't see that widget. Same with Messenger. If you didn't have Messenger installed, you wouldn't see that widget. So you can go to the Microsoft Store, install things like Spotify and Messenger, and I think there actually is a section for applications that have got widgets. So these are apps that have got widgets on them. So now I can say, like, I want to add the Messenger, so pin that. Maybe I could, while I'm here, I'm going to add the Spotify, and I'm also going to add I've already got Outlook calendar, and I've already got phone link installed there. Okay, so I've added some widgets there. So now here you can see there's my Messenger one, there's the calendar one, and there's the Spotify one. So now I can use those at any time. Now the other thing you can do, you've got some options on here. You can manage your interests as well as you can get it not to show the notification badges, or when you hover over it like you've seen me doing, you can turn that off as well. But if you manage your interests, here you can see the interests that I've got science and technology. You can choose which interests you want to see on that board. So let me add Formula 1 to there. And here's a couple of sources that I've blocked. The other thing you can do is you can go to full screen mode as well and have a complete view of the widgets like that. You've also got the option to hit that there and go to a full screen view. So they're the widgets. Microsoft are adding more, and the developers are adding more, like Facebook and Spotify, and hopefully we'll get more useful ones. I think I'd be glad to get rid of this. I don't really need it, so that's coming in the future, but I do like these useful ones down here, so hopefully we'll get some more of those. So thanks so much in this quick tip from Windows 11. You can find out more on thedigitallife.com.